Inside our classrooms is where our immersion model comes to life. Our immersion model integrates therapeutic support into the curriculum so students are no longer pulled out for the services they need and instead receive them throughout the day right in the lessons. With a small class size in lower school of no more than 9 students, a 4:1 teacher-student ratio, individualized instruction, hands-on learning, movement throughout the day, and a strong home and school partnership, the Wolf School model is designed to help children become successful, secure learners. Our lower school students also enjoy out-of-school enrichments built into the schedule each week, like therapeutic horseback riding, swimming, and more. By providing a nurturing environment, Wolf School students develop a true love of learning.